I will invest only 13 years only. I don't have the patience for 25 years. I don't have the patience for 50 years. I want only for just 12 and a half or 30 years only, 13 years only. For 13 years, this person got hardly 6.6 lakhs or 7 lakhs. Respond. Overall, all these people invested same amount or not?
Yes, sir.
Ayo, respond, man. Is it same amount or not? Every month, 1,000 rupees for 50 years. Every month, 2,000 rupees for 25 years. Every month, 4,000 rupees for 13 years. Amount invested is the same. But one person is getting 3 crores. Another person is getting just 32 lakhs. The last person is getting only 7 lakhs. Clear indication, practical proofs for you people. How long we are investing, that matters a lot. How much money we are investing, that is the secondary, that is not important. Then immediately in your mind, oh, today onwards only I have to invest. Anyone getting such type of feeling? I don't want to waste my valuable time. Time matters a lot. Time
Yes.
matters a lot. Okay, I don't want to waste even 100 rupees also no problem for me. Let me invest. Let me invest. I don't want to waste my time in the investment. Have you got that feeling right by seeing these numbers?
Yes,
I
sir.
wish we had these
Yes, sir.
numbers in our high school, sir, so that we should have started at
At the early
15
only.
years.
Yeah. How many people don't know about this point up to today? Sir,
Me,
first time
sir.
only I'm seeing these differences are like, anyone, can you please raise your hand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ram Prasad, Akshay, Niranjan.
I started Korean tax. Very useful.
Yeah. Getting right? So everyone, better to invest as early as possible.